Here's Yazd, the capital of Iran earthen architecture, one of the biggest World Heritage cities, and it's Dr. Abbasi in charge of Yazd World Heritage Site. Every year, many tourists visit the historic city, but not after Corona pandemic. Now we try to keep physical distancing and still be socially and economically alive through funding the internet market to support traditional industries and providing local health protocols to reopen conservation projects as the source of livelihood. Furthermore, the city is presented in virtual spaces and social media by local communities. Staying home is the best chance to learn from the history. Emerged from hard condition of desert, Yazd teaches us how to turn limitation to opportunities. What we really require today, I joined the UNESCO campaign to share our heritage.